New into stock, we've got another Peugeot partner. It's a 1.6 HDI S L1 850 4-door. We've done this before. It's a 5-door. It's 2 doors at the back, one at either side, and then it's got a side loading door. It's done 66,640 miles. So it's quite low mileage as well. It's in pretty good condition. The only thing I've seen inside is one of the cardboard panels in the back door has just been pushed through. Nothing drastic. Fuel economy as a guide: urban 49.6, extra urban 60.1, combined is 56.5, 0 to 60 time in 14.6 seconds, top speed of 99 miles an hour out of an 89 brake horsepower 8 valve engine. So quite tidy, really handy. We've plenty of these and the Citroen Berlingos, sold them to all sorts of different tradesmen. One of them's got a window cleaning round and got a big tank of water in the back. It's just ideal. This has got a mesh bulkhead in as well, so no chance of anything coming shooting forward when you're driving and you have to pull up quick. As I say, just put this away. So we've got the roof bars. This has wheel trims. It's also got the plastic side protector. Got the side loading door. In here there's a fold down panel in the bulkhead, and then if you put the seat down, you can load items straight through. Twin solid rear doors, open to 90 degrees like so. Then if you pull that little lever there, open all the way, so you can reverse up to a loading bay or get a load of pallet with a stacker truck. It's ply lined, as you can see there, the bulkhead. And as I say, the only thing I could see the real is just that crack, which is nothing. It's just a piece of cardboard. Just take it for a ride in it. There we go. 2 keys for it. One is remote, like so, and the other is just the ordinary key. That's how they come from the factory. This one has got sorry about that. This one has got a Bluetooth hands-free, which is not connected to my phone at the moment. We've also got a front armrest here. So we've got 2 of these from the same firm in stock. The other one is £500 cheaper than this. It's just got a couple of, a few little marks on it. Nothing, too bad. I think there's a couple of marks on the seat and a couple of little dings. But as I say, it's £500 cheaper. So if you'd rather have £500 than and seat covers, then it's fine. But they both drive pretty much the same. They're in really good condition. Some vans get really battered. The ply lined. It's got the bulkhead, which passenger seat folds down as I think I'll be able to show you in the video. And there's a little flap in the back of the mesh bulkhead. You can fold that down and load through. Very, very handy van, can get plenty in it, and it's economical as well. Won't break the bank, keep filling it up. And you can also keep the front nice and tidy. Our detailer Lance has virtually the same thing. Keeps his dog in the back, brings his dog to work. and he don't keep it in the back all night. He's just on his way to work, and all his valeting equipment whenever he needs it, and his fishing stuff. So it's ideal for a hobby van too. It's a really windy day today, and you can just hear some noise off the roof bars, but we're doing 60 miles an hour, so it's not too bad. Can't go too far today. We're really busy, but I'll just take you far enough, make sure this van gets up to temperature, and then we can check stuff when we get back. We do a 10-mile test drive in all our vehicles, no matter what they are, just to make sure everything works okay. And stuff that you can't inspect on the ramp, like yesterday I discovered cruise control wasn't working on one vehicle. Again, you just wouldn't be able to get to that on the ramp. And I'm pretty sure we're the only garage who videos are pre-display test drive for the customer, so that they know it's all right, and they also know if there is anything wrong, we're going to put it right. I think this guy could be a lunatic coming up on the outside. This lady coming up on the outside could be a lunatic, sorry. I think she nearly ran into somebody on the roundabout there going too fast. So we'll try and keep away from her. Just on the right hand side here, you've got your audio controls for your radio. It's a CD radio. Five-speed gearbox, electric windows, remote central lock-in. That's my camera gear sliding around the back. With it being ply line, it's quite a smooth surface, and my camera bags are just all over the place. Actually, I think I'll carry on this way. I won't go up the M6. So not got too long today. Need to get back. Got the global locking and unlocking here. You can also secure the back. Load space in there. Cup holders. Electric door mirrors. Actually, we'll just move over there because give that chap some room. Oh. Fred Carno's here. So there we go. Let's just check that. Turn that over there. Yep, drivers, passengers works fine as well. That's better. There you go. Wipers and washers work fine. Don't know what I was switching on there, but wasn't the washers. Nice gearbox, nice light clutch. Everything working good. Seats are quite tidy, and they're also built up too. Plenty of padding in them. And bulkhead's not too close. It's not stopping me. That sounded horny.
I've got enough leg room putting the seat back, which doesn't always happen with bulkheads. A lot of traffic up this road usually means we've just missed a train and they've let the level crossing up. But nice enough to drive. I don't think you'd be buying a van like this to be commuting long ways, but it's certainly handy for round town, local work, delivery stuff. And actually, before we came out, we were discussing the mileage that Lance had done in his van, and he does do a lot of mileage. He's always flying all over the place, and his vehicle's fine. So, but basically, I don't know what I'm talking about. Strike that last bit. If you want to do a lot of miles, this is ideal. So you've got little cubby holes there, air vents like so, airflow direction there. Your fan, yeah, they're all working as well. Hot and cold. Passenger window working. Driver's window working. So good state of repair. And I did notice the back doors aren't as stiff to open. They've been used a little bit more or lubricated at least than the other one. But if M10COL, unfortunately he's just had to drive his Ferrari through all this crap. We're not so bothered in the van. Yeah, so we've got two of these almost identical. The other one's done a few more miles. Not in quite as nice condition, but not far off. It's certainly acceptable. So if you've got a little firm in need of two vans, come and see us. I'll finish the test drive there. I think that's probably far enough. We've done a little bit of motorway and dual carriageway and so on, country lanes. Car's great. Temperature gauge is there or thereabouts in the centre, and nothing to report really. No bangs. Couple of little rattles probably off the one wood panel in the back, but equally it could be off my tripod in the back too. So I think probably with a little bit of weight in there, you won't have any problems. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you for the next vehicle we get in stock. Another thrilling instalment, and perhaps it'll be something a bit more exciting than a Peugeot van, but you never know. They all count. Thanks very much.